What is good, YouTube, and to my card world family? It is your guy once again, Udell12, aka Bubba. And guys, I am back with another card unboxing today. And before we get started, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy. And also, don't forget to smash that notification bell for upcoming videos, because I have more card unboxings coming up. And yeah, guys, I'm sorry about that, hitting my knuckles, but without any further ado, you guys already can see what I have here. We got the Panini Prizm 2019 draft picks with Dwayne Haskins on the front, and in this this will be a blaster exclusive here. Said look for blue parallels, college football most beloved characters and mascots. And in this one, your odds are, I said, find one autograph per box on average. So that's what we're looking for. You get 5 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. So let's dive in it. See what we got, guys. See if we can get through this one real quick. Let's check these out. Alright. Just set that there. Here's our packs here. It's the thick pack here. I'm assuming that's the specialty pack. So we'll just dive in it like that. We'll start right here. Let's see what we got. I'm hitting pretty good on these. These are pretty dope. And Josh Rosen. Brutus Buckeye. We got the Buckeye mascot. Christian Kirk. Derrick Henry. Nice. Got a Jared Goff. Sweet. Not bad for pack number 1. Right, this one here. Got a Tom Brady. I forgot what this one specifically is called. But let's see. Pretty sweet card though. That's Tom Brady specialty card. We'll set those right there. Got a Michael Irvin. Sweet. Base card. AJ Brown. Very nice. Crusade cards. These are pretty dope cards, man. AJ Brown's he is a beast. And he's gonna be nice for the Titans, man. We saw him coming along as the year went on down, but we're gonna sleeve him. So he's a beast. So we're gonna put him in there. Him and his teammate at Ole Miss, DK Metcalf, who is another beast, who I wish my Colts would have drafted. But Paris, you gotta keep him healthy. He's gonna be nice too. But yeah, this is a nice Crusade card, man. Pretty dope. I'm gonna sleeve him up. Put him in the top loader. Sweet, man. That's a sweet card. Set him over there. Got Alvin Kamara, I'm sorry. Alex Kamara. And another mascot. Alright, so far we're rolling. Jay Brown. So far, so good. Specialty card. Set that like and do it like that. Sweet, man. So these Panini Prizms, these I've been seeing these around, but my first time getting the blaster box. Hard to catch them. The Kerryon Johnson. That's Sam Donald. Bush Freeman. Wait. I'm gonna go back. That's a Rush Freeman blue hollow, looks like. Sweet. Go ahead and get him in there. Him and Philip Lindsay in Denver, they slowly come along. Philip Lindsay he pretty much done took over that backfield, but they Kind of, they like they're waiting on Freeman to break out. All right, we got old Dapper Dan. Dan Marino. We got a Dak Prescott. Pretty nice. Have they paid Dak yet? They need to. It don't look like they won't pay him. They better. That boys better figure it out. Let's see. We got Adrian Peterson. Base card. Barry Sanders. Beast. Ascot. It's my second Baker Mayfield, but I have the pink parallel in this and the red Grange. I have both of these. I have these in pink parallels. We'll sleeve that Baker up. Let's see what Baker gonna do this year. Coming up next year. Think he's gonna try to bounce back. He got weapons, so no excuses. So we'll put Baker right there. Is that red green? We'll drop it right there. All right, we got one more. Well, just one more pack after this one. Let's see. All right, let's see. Eric Dixon, we know it was a beast. Mascot. Irv Smith Jr. Nice rookie card. Very nice. Blue hollow. Nice. Irv Smith, he'll be a beast for Minnesota. He came along a little bit. They're gonna get him the ball more, but hey, he's gonna be nice. And we gotta sleeve this guy. Sleeve up. Do the top loader. Nice, nice. Nice. Irv Smith. Blue hollow. Very nice. Right there. Got a Jerry Rice and a Lamar. Nice. Definitely it's gonna see Lamar up. So this is base card, but Lamar Jackson card is one of those ever since he won the MVP. He was a beast anyway. But I just set him over there. So this is the last pack of these. Alright, so pack look a little thick, but alright, we got Melvin Gordon, James Conner. That's the specialty card under there. Saquon, nice. And Juju. And they got the they've got James Conner here. Let's see. That's a Darwin Thompson. And let's see if it's an autograph. Oh! Nice! Darwin Thompson rookie card. Sticker signature. Nice, man. Nice. Darwin Thompson. Very nice. Sweet. Let go. Darwin Thompson, y'all. He'll be a beast. Utah State. Nice. That's a nice card. Hollow too, yeah. Nice. Darwin Thompson. So that's not a bad box at all, man, for the Blaster exclusive. This is very nice. If you're able to cop one of these, definitely go get one. I just looked up, was able to find one of them, but other than that, I've been getting the packs. But let's leave Darwin on up there. And Darwin already got him a Super Bowl ring. But, you know, shout out to the Chiefs, man. It's my girlfriend's team. So, shout out to them on that Super Bowl, man. But, highlight of the pack right here. We got some other good ones. But there's a signature Darwin Thompson. I said him right there. And some of the other highlight cards. Just a Lamar Jackson base. Harris Smith Jr. Another good card. Baker. Damn. Another hollow. Blue hollow there. And then the Crusade. A.J. Brown. So there you have it, guys. But this right here, very nice. Darwin Thompson signature card, hollow silver. So yeah, man. So definitely, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to always keep God first, guys. I'm gonna sign out right here. This has been Udell 12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.